How to get rid of hemorrhoids fast and treatment. Ingredients: garlic, black seed, red tea, black seed, also known as black seed or black cumin seed, is believed to have various health benefits. It has been used traditionally for centuries in different cultures. Some studies suggest that black seed oil may have anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties, which could potentially provide relief for hemorrhoids. Red tea. Red tea, also known as rooibos tea, is a popular herbal tea that originates from South Africa. It is rich in antioxidants and has been associated with potential health benefits, such as promoting digestion and relieving constipation. While it may help with symptoms indirectly related to hemorrhoids, garlic is known for its potential health benefits due to its active compound called allicin. Allicin has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. Some people believe that applying crushed garlic cloves or garlic oil topically to hemorrhoids may help reduce swelling and discomfort.